What if you could generate sub-zero frost and freeze a cold drink using nothing but a tiny flame? No solar panels, no batteries? If you think off-grid cooling requires expensive solar arrays, you need to hear this. It's based on a nearly forgotten thermodynamic secret. This isn't science fiction. In 1930, Albert Einstein and Leo Szilard patented a revolutionary absorption refrigerator design. It used no electricity and had no moving parts, relying instead on a simple thermal heat source to trigger a physical-chemical reaction. Here's the thermodynamics. When heat warms the pressure tank, it expands the refrigerant gas and forces it through a condenser coil. From there, it squeezes into a micro-capillary tube. The magic happens when that high-pressure gas expands rapidly into the evaporator coil. It drops in temperature to minus 18 degrees Celsius. But how do you keep the gas moving without a mechanical compressor? That's where this DIY check valve comes in. Inside this tiny copper tube sits a single steel ball bearing. It acts as a one-way gate, forcing the expanding gas to travel in only one direction around the cycle. Building this setup at home requires precision. Every single joint must be silver brazed with a high-temperature torch. Even a microscopic leak will instantly ruin the vacuum seal. Within just 2 minutes of lighting a simple candle, real ice begins to coat the copper coils. It's the same principle used in industrial RV propane refrigerators, built completely from scratch, using standard copper tubing. Drop a comment below if you've ever run an absorption fridge off propane. And if you want to see the full hands-on fabrication build step by step, check the pinned comment below.